10.
How are those strawberries, Scarlett?
Those good strawberries?
Scarlett, what do monkeys do?
What about elephants?
What about doggies? That's an elephant. Do the monkey now that you have your hands free. Monkeys.
What does Uncle Guy do?
Winner! We have a winner!
Did you already win?
No. No, she's hanging tough.
I think you're tied on this.
See, what does Uncle Guy do? Let's go. Oh, he lost again.
Score 11-9. Hey, Scarlett. Beanbag goes in the hole. Watch. Just like this.
Wow.
Did you just polish off the whole thing of strawberries?
Huh?
Those good? You gotta chew it up, Scarlett. You got a whole big chunk in your mouth. It's all gone. All gone.
Thought I was going to get one. You still got 1 point.
All gone. Is it on your head?
That should never happen.
You got a hat on your head. Whoops.
Score 11-10.
Okay, bye-bye, Scarlett. Bye-bye.